Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith. In this video, we're going to install a USB powered faucet directly to the water tank. So here's the plan. I think I have all the gear I need, but unlike other videos, I haven't tried this yet, so we're going to be finding it out together. Let's grab the camera gear and Raya and head to the shop. Do you want to go too? Good girl. Okay, the first thing we want to do is take a look at the water tank and find a spot that we're going to install to. On this unit, I find the easiest spot is going to be right here where the water feed line's already going to what used to be the faucet. Excuse me, sweetie. Oh, this is Raya. Good girl. All right, next we'll pull that water line out of the system. And do this one. And we'll go ahead and remove the 11-liter water jug. You can find the how-to video for using this system with the pump we're about to install as well. I'll add links in the description below. Alright, since we're going to tug these on the opposite side, go ahead and cut the ends off of them. And lower the galley. There it is. Now you should be able to see the hole in the floor down there where we're going to come up through, and we'll plan on running our 1/4-inch line up through this area. On our Shenandoah today, we're going to install the water filter and the connections to pipe it down to a 1/4-inch piping underneath the camper. We'll secure it to the bottom of the camper frame with just some clamps. And it's ready time now to run the water line in the camper, our 1/4-inch water line. So we'll cut a section of that and run it down through the floor. All right, we got our water line. And we'll go ahead and put our connector back in our tank. Make sure you're straight when you're putting plastic to plastic together. They can cross thread pretty quickly and create a problem. Next we'll hook up our system here that we built. Oh, there goes the fire company. Thank you, first responders. We appreciate you. Oh, just a little bit more of that. It's okay, Ryan. And we made this line a little too short to hook a clamp up to. Sorry, we still got one, so we'll go ahead and attach this clamp to the subfloor. Forward might help. Oh, we forgot a clamp. Sorry folks, I'm kind of stumbling through this one. It's hard enough doing it, and then doing all the recording too overcomplicates it. A lot of things to think about. My wife will like this. She's always like, honey, don't make it look too easy. Hook that guy back up. Slide our clamp over and clamp him on. Time to feed our new water line in through the galley lift system. I'll lift the system. Straighten it up some. Feed it through there. There it is. Got it. Now feed it into the galley. I think we're going to go right about there. We're going to check for obstructions, like gas lines. And we do have a gas line back there. Make sure we stay away from the gas line. We'll go ahead and just put this one right here. Alright, get some water in our tank. I don't have a hose bib out here. I really need to get one. Hook up our water line. Clip it to the base. And we got water. Alright. Come here, Rye. Good girl. Sit down. So there we go. We can use this USB powered faucet to pull right from the fresh water tank already in your camper. No need for the extra jug, but we have those available too, should you want it. I'll add links in the description below for the kits I'll put together to do this system that we just did in this camper, and links to the jug system as well too if you want to just add the 11-liter jug to your camper. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, mash that notification bell, and I'll see you guys at the campground.